Let's be honest, we've all been there. Tempted by the convenience of processed foods, the allure of sugary drinks, the promise of a quick fix. But here's the challenge. Ditch the fake and embrace the real. It's time to prioritize our health, fuel our bodies with nutrient-rich foods, and watch the weight melt away. Are you in? This isn't about deprivation, it's about empowerment. It's about making conscious choices that nourish your body from the inside out. It's about feeling energized, vibrant, and confident in your own skin. Join me on this journey as we explore the power of real food. Together we'll uncover the truth about processed foods, discover the incredible benefits of whole, unprocessed alternatives, and unlock the secrets to sustainable weight loss and optimal health. Get ready to transform your body, your health, and your life one real food at a time. We live in a world saturated with fake foods. They're everywhere in our grocery stores, our vending machines, even disguised as health foods. White bread, granola bars, sugary drinks. These imposters may seem harmless, but they're wreaking havoc on our bodies. These processed concoctions are often loaded with refined sugars, unhealthy fats, and artificial ingredients that leave us feeling sluggish, bloated, and craving more. They lack the essential nutrients our bodies need to thrive, leaving us feeling depleted and unsatisfied. But the real problem with fake foods goes beyond our waistlines. These dietary saboteurs contribute to a host of health issues, from weight gain and inflammation to chronic diseases like heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and even certain types of cancer. It's time to wise up and see these fake foods for what they are, enemies of our health and well-being. Now, let's shift our focus to the good stuff, real food. We're talking about fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats, the building blocks of a healthy body and a vibrant life. Real food is naturally nutrient-dense, providing our bodies with the vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber we need to function at our best. These foods are bursting with flavor, naturally satisfying, and provide sustained energy that lasts. When we nourish our bodies with real food, we're not only fueling our cells, we're supporting optimal weight management, boosting our metabolism, and improving digestion. Real food helps to regulate blood sugar levels, reduce inflammation, and strengthen our immune system. The benefits of real food are undeniable. It's time to make these nutrient powerhouses the foundation of our diets and experience the transformative power of real nutrition. Let's take a closer look at some of the most common processed food culprits and expose their hidden dangers. White bread, for example, is often stripped of its nutrients during processing, leaving behind a refined carbohydrate that spikes blood sugar levels and leaves us feeling hungry soon after. Granola bars, often marketed as healthy snacks, can be loaded with added sugars, unhealthy fats, and artificial ingredients. Pre-packaged salads, while seemingly convenient, may contain hidden sugars, unhealthy dressings, and processed toppings that negate their nutritional value. These processed foods are often engineered to be hyperpalatable, meaning they're designed to keep us coming back for more even when we're not truly hungry. This can lead to overeating, weight gain, and a cycle of unhealthy eating habits. It's time to break free from the processed food trap and reclaim our health. Section 5. Swap it out. Simple, real food alternatives. Making the switch to real food doesn't have to be complicated. Start by making small, sustainable changes, one meal or snack at a time. Swap out sugary drinks for water, unsweetened tea, or infused water with fresh fruit. Instead of reaching for that processed granola bar, opt for a handful of nuts, a piece of fruit, or some baby carrots with hummus. Ditch the pre-packaged salads and create your own with fresh greens, lean protein, and a homemade dressing. When grocery shopping, stick to the perimeter of the store where the fresh produce, meats, and dairy products are typically located. Read labels carefully and choose products with minimal ingredients that you can recognize and pronounce. Remember, every small change adds up. By making conscious choices and incorporating more real food into our diets, we can transform our health and well-being. Section 6. Real people, real transformations. Countless individuals have experienced the life-changing benefits of switching to a real food lifestyle. Take Sarah, for example. who struggled with her weight and energy levels for years. After making the commitment to ditch processed foods and embrace real whole foods, she lost 20 pounds, regained her energy, and improved her overall health. John, another real food convert, was able to reverse his prediabetes and get off medication simply by changing his diet. He now enjoys cooking meals from scratch with fresh, wholesome ingredients and feels better than ever. These stories are a testament to the power of real food. By making simple yet profound changes to our diets, we too can experience these incredible transformations. Section 7. The Science Speaks: Real Food for a Healthier You. The science is clear. Real food is essential for optimal health and well-being. Numerous studies have shown the benefits of a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. For example, a study published in the Journal of the American Medical Association found that a Mediterranean-style diet, which emphasizes whole, unprocessed foods, was associated with a reduced risk of heart disease, stroke, and premature death. Another study published in the New England Journal of Medicine found that a diet low in processed foods and high in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains was linked to a lower risk of type 2 diabetes. The evidence is overwhelming. Real food is not just a fad diet, it's a scientifically proven approach to achieving optimal health and well-being. Section 8. Make the Switch: Your Journey to a Real Food Lifestyle. Embarking on a real food journey is a personal decision that requires commitment and a willingness to make lasting changes. Start by setting realistic goals, such as incorporating 1 or 2 real food meals into your day or swapping out sugary drinks for water. Educate yourself about nutrition and learn to read food labels. Avoid added sugars, artificial flavors, and preservatives. Experiment with new recipes and discover the joy of cooking with fresh, wholesome ingredients. Remember, this is not about perfection, it's about progress. There will be challenges along the way, but don't get discouraged. Every small step you take towards a real food lifestyle is a step in the right direction. Share your journey with friends and family and inspire others to make the switch to real food. Together, we can create a healthier, happier world, one real food at a time.